Hi guys and welcome. This video, блядь. Hi guys and welcome. If you're trying to start your own business on Shopify, this video can be handy for you because in this video I'm planning to show you all the core knowledges, all the things that you need to know to easy and fast set up all the things and to get started with your online store on Shopify. This is a very powerful and convenient platform. Of course, you know about the Shopify because everybody knows it's like Amazon and eBay. Shopify is world's most famous and popular platforms to sell goods and services online. And that's why you definitely need to try to get in if you selling something already, if you producing some goods and stuff and services. Definitely it's a great place to start and to be presented in. Before I will show you all the things, I want to share with you information that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to this platform using that link. We'll be appreciated about that. I saw all those videos, about 3 hours tutorial of how to build Shopify store. I don't want to waste your time, that's why I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible and with maximum nice and useful information. So let's jump straight to business. First thing that you need to do is to find the link in description, jump to Shopify and start a free trial. It's absolutely easy except your store name, email address, password, and your store name. There's a lot of options of names that exist already, and all those good store and nice shop are definitely exist, yeah, and you need to create some unique and new name that will describe your business. Maybe you have a brand name and you're gonna try to jump in, but it's possible that such name exists already. I will not show you all the things with the registration. You will pass it easily and by yourself. No big deal and nothing difficult, nothing special. I want to show you what's inside the platform. In this video, we're gonna talk about all the buttons on the left hand here. And actually, the platform shows that you have 14 days left of my trial. I just created this account. It's totally new, just to show you what's happening on the platform and what steps you need to pass to start selling on Shopify. Add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. Actually, that's it. It's simple as like 1, 2, 3, but it's not so simple as it seems, and I want to provide you with all available information here. So home, this is the page we're on. Orders, in this spot you'll get all the things about orders, drafts, and abandoned checkouts. Products, from here, from this spot, you will manage all your items, all that you're selling. You can add a product straight here, or you can find a product from your list. Inventory, it's very useful tool to manage all your entire items and everything that is available in your stock, and so on and so on. Transfers is to transfer collections and income inventory to your shop. Actually, collections, we're gonna talk about them later. You can create new collections of available products from your store, and it's very useful thing actually. Gift cards, it's pretty understandable. Customers, in this spot you'll see all the information about all the purchases that people made on your store, on your shop, and it's gonna be available for you, and you can work with this information. Analytics, definitely it's one of the most important part of the business. Because this is totally macro of your business, and you will see all the things that are happening with your store. Marketing, definitely is the second most important part of your business, because probably you're gonna run ad campaigns, and this ad campaigns can be set from this spot. We're talking about campaigns. Here you go. All the things, all the macro you will see here. And automation, this is the thing that will let you sleep while your store is working for you. Discounts, codes and automatic discounts. You can set up all the discounts for your products here. Apps, guys, this is fantastic, really. When you're starting your business on Shopify, when you're setting up your online store, it's like a basic infrastructure, and you can add a lot of interesting things like email marketing, SMS informing, and so on and so on, more places to sell, and all those apps can be very, very useful, but we're not talking about them in this video. I want to make some really actionable video with all those apps to show you how all those works, but you can view more apps of collections, design, shipping. It's a lot of things available actually, and if you want to improve the power of your business, it can be handy and very, very useful. Online store, themes, blog post pages, navigation, domains, and preferences. Let's jump to preferences, and you see online store. You see from the top, online store is password protected, and you can disable the password only when you're gonna pick up a plan. Okay, but I suggest you to set everything up, to build your site, to add all the products that you have, and only then you'll be it's better to use a trial version, not to pay first, to set everything up. 14 days, believe me, it's enough to set everything up. So if we're on preferences right now, is password protection, spam protection, customer privacy. You need to switch on all the things. Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, all those tools you need to add to your site. Social sharing, image, and title and meta descriptions. That is very, very important for SEO of your site. Okay, sales channels. Let's press this plus button, and you see that you can add more sales channels. It's free to add, but fees may apply in each of them by button. Messenger, Google, Facebook, Shopify, and all of those. But we're talking about online store now, and the first thing you need to take care of is customize your own website, your own store. You can use the default theme that that pre-made for you, and it's like debut, yeah, but it will be not so professional, because a lot of people who buying and selling goods on Shopify will understand that you're just starting and you build it on default. So it's better to use the free themes, or you can buy a theme if you have an opportunity to buy it. It's not cheap. It's like about 180 or less or more. It's about some numbers. Explore free themes. You can choose one of those, and it's actually will be better than to use a default theme. But I want to show you the editing features, and all those are pretty similar, and it doesn't matter which theme you will choose. All the editing features are the same. It's a little bit unusual because it's not drag and drop as you may saw in all those website building platforms, because it's a little bit better actually, and I don't like this too much, because also this all section structured, and you have header and footer and all those sections. But it's a little bit unusual that it's not drag and drop, and you cannot move text on this picture, on this background, and you cannot reshape it. So it's pretty straight, it's pretty simple, but it works. Yeah, all the things you can move around here. For example, gallery, you need to press this 6 dots and just move to the shape that you want. Yeah, and you see all the things here. It's pretty easy and understandable. How to delete, for example, testimonials. I don't want them to be here. And you see here in the bottom, remove section. Let's remove this section. You can add section also straight from here. And there's layouts that pre-made, collections, image, product, promotional. Maybe you have a physical store and you want to add a map, and so on and so on. There's a lot of things to play with. Everything that can be changed from this left-hand menu here. Want to say that there's a lot of free, great, and very high-quality pictures that you can use to build up your store. And there's a great and big collection, really big collection in a lot of categories. And if you're selling some food or I don't know which type of business do you run, but you can use all those free images, and it's pretty cool. It's high quality, and for example, you're just starting your business and you didn't make the content for you, yeah, for maybe for your branding, so you can use all those from the free images, or you can upload your own images. But it doesn't matter. A lot of things, well, it matters actually. You can use the free one, or you can create. Definitely, if you have the products and it's something unique, it's better to create a content and high quality content that will play a good and nice role in your business. A lot of settings here, and you can play around with all those, like extra small maybe, or extra large, and so on. And you can get the shape, and you can get your site to be like in the shape that you want it. Unusual thing that you cannot change text straight from here. In most cases, in most platforms that allows you to build your website or landing page, you can just double click on a text, you can move it around, but here it's not. All the changes happens here in the left side of in the left hand menu, and it's just a little bit unusual, but you'll handle that. A lot of things to play with, guys, really a lot of things, and you need to have some content for your brand, and all the items that you will sell. Create the content first, because it can take some time, and after you're ready with the content, with all the descriptions, with all the text, with all the things, it's much more better to be ready and to jump with tons of content and tons of options to start your own business. So products, I want to show you how to add a product, because this is also important. The same thing, it's a little bit unusual, but you have title, description, media. Someone, like some people, insert images and videos here. I don't like the video and images to be in the description, because there's a media block for that. Pricing also, for example, you're selling something for 100 and what's happening with the currency, I don't know. And you can compare it to more price, the bigger price, and it will be crossed. And if you have cost per item, for example, you're buying some goods for 35, then you see the margin and you see the profits right here. You can charge tax on this product. In most cases you will, and so on. quantity available. It depends on your business, it depends on type of things that you're selling, but it's very easy and convenient to make that all products. And you can add a product, you can delete them, you can organize all the things like product type, vendor, and collections. You can type in tags that also can be useful for maybe t-shirt, red, black, and so on and so on. And you can handle all this, and you need to handle all this before you'll go live. So description, you need to make sure that you have a great keywords for all those that you're selling and so on. Now, I showed you pretty everything that you need to know. If you want to learn more, there's tons of information on the platform itself, and the platform itself wants you to sell goods and services on it, and it's ready to give you a lot of information about marketing, about how to run ad campaigns and so on. Or of course you can find all this information in internet. It's free, it's available, and you just need to try, and you need to want this. You need to be excited about your business on Shopify. This is a very powerful platform, and this is a great spot to be presented in. And I wish you good luck. I wish you to set up all the things fast. It's not too much, like $29 per month, to be able to make more money if you're already selling something with a landing page maybe, or you have a site, your separate site, and you want to be presented in Shopify. This is very convenient and very powerful tool. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was useful. I tried to make this video as short as possible, as I told you, so not wasting your time. Thank you so much. All the useful links are under this video in the description panel. Be our guest, use those links. I wish you good luck with your business. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.